Welcome to the Whatever's Going On cooking show. Today we are attempting to make chicken wings. So first we take the chicken wing and then you cut it. We put it in a bowl. Dum 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 dum. Why am I singing happy birthday?
Oh, that's a good question.
Happy birthday to the chicken.
This is not a happy birthday for the chicken.
Happy birthday to the chicken. Or the chicken's wing. I don't know where the other part of the chicken is. It is elsewhere at an unknown location. Happy birthday to the chicken's wing.
Like you said, chicken swing.
Chicken swing. It's a chicken swing. It can be a swing if you want it to be. Swing it around. Like the chicken swing.
Do-si-do. Have your partner. This is working a little faster that way.
Okay, now we're going somewhere. Now we're cooking with gas and propane accessories. Typically, we'd have a cutting board, a bunch of paper towels. Someone ruined the cutting with fish. So, no cutting board. We have paper towels, which is not ideal. But we make it work. We have 2 packs of 12 chicken wings. In the bowl you go. Now we have a full bowl full of chicken wings. Chicken wings. Make sure you wash your hands after you handle raw chicken. We care about you. We do not want you getting a disease. Thanks much. Now we add the salt. Now we add the pepper. And the seasoning salt. And the garlic. Super garlic. Oh no, what did you do?
Got a casualty.
Crispiness.
Cornstarch.
For the crispiness, we need cornstarch. Because we like crispiness with the cornstarch and the chicken wings. With all of the other things as well. Alrighty, put it in here and we'll mix it all up. More cornstarch. More seasoned salt. Cornstarch. Now we put the chicken wings on the pan.
Oh, you know what? I need to cut those off. I wasn't thinking. I had to. I'm auto-headed right now. I'm like, lay that on the thing and
We missed a step. You're supposed to cut off the tail thing.
it's not a tail. It's an actual wing. I'll cut the wing off the wing.
Cut the wing off the wing. That's confusing. It's like the tail of the wing. I don't know. That thing. Cut it off. We don't want you here. We don't want you. Then, once you cut that thing off, because we missed a step, forgiveness please. Then you put the wings on the pan. Now we got them all on the pan. Again, we do not want you to have a disease, so please wash your hands after handling the chicken, folks. It is very important to keep your workspace clean and sanitized. Now we put the chicken.
It's supposed to be on the middle rack.
And the oven is preheated to 250. The chicken goes in the oven. 250. Put the puppies in there.
20 minutes?
50 for 20 minutes. Woohoo. Now the temperature is being changed to 425. 420 minutes. Alright, we put them in there for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes. This is what they look like.
Getting nice and crispy.
Sizzling. Sizzle. Now we add
Put a little sauce in the bowl.
Put a little sauce.
We
are using
Garlic parmesan.
garlic parmesan sauce.
Texas Pete
Now
wing
we add
sauce.
Texas Pete wing sauce. Put
Get in the bowl, getting ready to toss up the wine.
toss up the wings. We're gonna be flipping and flopping in the sauce. Flippity floppity. The wings, flippity floppity. They're no longer flying, but they are flipping and flopping in the sauce in the near future. It had that much time left.
Yeah.
We are taking them out anyway because they are done. They are done. Pro tip, do not burn your wings. We flipped the chicken over on the other side. And now we are putting them back in the oven. So scratch everything I just said earlier. We were wrong again. We're wrong again. You need to flip the chicken. They are not done. We keep messing up with the chicken wings, but that's okay. Cause we carry on and learn from our mistakes. Like a good champ. Now that we had that much time left, we took the bottom ones out again after we flipped them previously. Earlier. Now they're done. Now we take these tongue things and we put them in the sauce that we previously put in there earlier. See, I told you that we flipping and flopping. Now they are fulfilling their destiny. Fulfill your destiny, little chicken wing. Flippity floppity in the sauce. Flippity flop. We do that with all these chicken wings. They all get flipped and flopped in the sauce. Now that much time was left in there, we took the top one out. So now they are done. And we did it! Woohoo! We made the chicken wings. They are delish. Delicious. They are delicious. See ya.